Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Del Aguilar. I am the leader of the Veritas team. I have been dreaming of a house of our own for so long. As a public servant, husband, and father to 5 children, I know that it's not easy. I did buy a piece of land, but starting the groundworks, laying the foundation for a decent house, required substantial amount of money that competed with more urgent and important requirements: food and children's good education. My salary then was barely enough to cover the latter. Raised by peasant parents, I was inculcated with a strong sense of discipline, humility, and hard work. Frugality and practicality were my ways of life because I didn't have the luxury of children born with silver spoon in their mouth. I had to struggle to make both ends meet and to succeed. I am happy to have given my children quality education. With 4 of them having completed college, I was happy with the thought that I would be retiring from public service, assured that a better life awaits them. While expecting handsome retirement benefits, the house, however, remains a dream. The opportunity came in November last year. Through an agent, the Riscoin Exchange offered me an additional income by spending 1 to 2 hours daily with it. I had a business course, but I am not a fan of cryptocurrency. I had heard of several stories about online scam, and I didn't want to be one of those who lost their hard-earned money on risky projects. But I found something different with Riscoin Exchange and the League of Seagull. The value creation was there through the signal trading, and lectures were also there to help us earn and learn. Now I can say that it was one big and lucky decision I made in my life. Although I was reluctant at first, the fact that I earned substantial amount 2 months less after I invested 600 USDT, I did not hesitate to share the project with my colleagues. They too earned something to spend during the Yuletide season last year. Like a wildfire, the word spread and attracted many. After the establishment of the Veritas team in January this year, its number of members grew, thereby proving that it is in sharing the project to others that makes it more profitable to investors. Modesty aside, after 10 months, I was able to withdraw several times for a total amount of 1,490 pesos to pay for my utilities, bank loan, and other important expenses. Indeed, my income increased exponentially and reached 40,000 USDT in early October this year. With the expert advice of Professor Martin Collins, I initially withdrew 20,000 USDT on October 9 while searching for the house I plan to buy for my family. I did find one that suits the taste of my wife and children, as it requires big amount of money to pay for its equity, amounting to 2.7 million. I withdrew on October 18 another 20,000 USDT for a total amount of 2,093,080 pesos. With my asset fastly growing, that I have more than 500 members, I am but thankful to the League of Seagull, the Riscoin Exchange, and my team members for these blessings. After earning more than 3,500,000 pesos, my journey continues as I lead and mentor my team members for them to succeed too. I know that I still need more, but I am confident that I will be able to raise the whole amount for my equity in 3 months' time, and the whole amount for the house before I retire 6 months later. The Riscoin Exchange, the League of Seagull, wake me up from dreaming. This house is slowly coming to form. It's unfolding before us, and it is a dream that is about to come true.